Hello everyone, my name is Chris and welcome to the channel. Today is going to be a quick video on how you can group um, different tabs in Google Chrome into a single group tab, and by doing this you have a better view on your tabs and you can better organize your tabs when working in Google Chrome, in the browser Google Chrome. Before I jump into this smaller hack, let's hear a word from our sponsor today and we'll be right back. And today's video is sponsored by CloudSwap. CloudSwap is an online service tool that can help you transfer files from one cloud provider to another. For example, if you have your files hosted on OneDrive and you wish to switch to Google Drive, that's no problem. It's all done in 3 easy steps. You need to select the folders and files that you wish to transfer, and then choose the destination where you want them to be copied. And that's it. You simply click start, and then your files will be copied to the new cloud provider. For more information, please check the link in the description below and register for free and start migrating or transferring your files. Perfect. Okay, so first thing first, I opened Wikipedia here. There's an option here for a random article. I just popped a few of them on the screen just for the sake of this example. And let's say I want I'm doing some research for a study and I want to group them together in different let's say if I have different sections of a paper that I'm working on, and I want to be a little bit more organized. What I want to do is in order to create a group for the tabs, I want you to right click on one of the tabs, doesn't matter which tab, the one that you want to start with, for example. Right click on it and go ahead and search for add a tab to a new group. That's the one that we are looking for. So the third one in this view that I have here, click on this, and now I'm prompted to name this group. Right. So for the sake of this example, let me put group 1, and I don't like the gray color. Let's make it purple. Why not? All right. And I'm gonna click outside now of it. And as you can see now, group 1, it's highlighted with this purple line. So if I want to add another tab to the group, I just drag it inside. So for example, I'm gonna add this one to the group. I'm gonna add this one to the group. Okay, and as you can see, at the bottom of the group, let's put it like that, you will see the purple line that we created. And if you click on group 1, all these 4 tabs inside this group will not close but minimize if you wish, and then you can expand. And of course this makes a little bit more order in your tabs. So let's do that example again and create a new one. So I'm gonna go and add this to a group. Of course you can add it to group 1 if I want, or drag it inside, but for this example I'm gonna create a new one. I'm gonna say group number 2, and I'm gonna make it red. And this one I want to be just one tab, and I'm gonna create another one, add tab to group. I'm gonna name it group 3, and this one will be this green color, right? And I want also in the group 3, I'm gonna add this remaining tab as well. So again, I have the option to drag it until it becomes the color that I want for the group. You see, you can add it in group 2 or group 3, or even oh, look at this, you cannot add it to group 1 if it's closed. So let's go ahead and expand group 1, and then again you can add to group 3, group 2, and then of course group 1. So That's a cool thing that I just noticed. You cannot add it if it's a closed one, but you can also right click on it and move it from the menu here. So I want to move it to group 1. There you go, moved. I want to add it to group 2. Perfect. And that's the way you organize your tabs on Google Chrome. I find it very useful, especially if you're the type of person who has a ton of tabs opened. This is really a great way and simple way to be more organized and um, have a better visibility on your tabs. If you find this useful, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. That really helps me and the channel grow. Please make sure to subscribe for more tweaks and productivity hacks like this. And if you like the overall content, please browse my other videos on this type of content and make sure you subscribe. Thank you again and talk to you in the next one. Bye.